Thank you for your support for the Army Expeditionary Warrior Experiment 18, or better known as AWE. This is the Army's premier tactical level experimentation venue. You know, the world is changing. It's changing fast. It's changing at a fundamental way and an exponential rate. Our peers across the world have been watching us, and they've adapted their armies in order to reconcile our advantages and our dominance over the last 30 years. That means we have to change our Army in order to regain the advantages we've had in the past. In order to change an Army and evolve it into the future, there's really 4 things that you need to do, and it starts with identifying a threat, identifying a pacing threat, and being clear on what the operational environment looks like. And once you know what that threat is, you then need to develop a concept for how the Army in the future will be able to engage that threat to maintain dominance. And once you have a concept, you then have to have a strategy to move forward, to evolve the force in order to make it the organization that will dominate across the planet. And then once you have that modernization strategy, then what we need to do is to start experimenting with current technologies and evolving technologies so that we can evolve our thinking and refine the framework for our maneuver force modernization strategy as we go forward. All of you will have a critical role in this experimentation effort. And here at Fort Benning, where we conduct the premier tactical level venue for experimentation, it will be fundamental that we get it right so that we can refine our concepts, refine our DOTML PF efforts across the force so that we build the Army we need in the future.
The Army's modernization strategy has one simple focus: to make soldiers and units more lethal. Continuous experimentation and aggressive prototyping are essential lines of effort under this strategy. AEWE is an Arctic Live Prototype Assessment, or ALPA. Promising concepts and capabilities inform future events and development under the broader scope of Force 2025 maneuvers. AEWE 2018 examined 6 objectives nested under the Army warfighting challenges. Prototype capabilities and experimental concepts explored solutions to address joint combined and multinational air-ground maneuver, enhanced maneuver support, enabling fires, increased reach sustainment, enabling communications, and increased situational understanding. Promising capabilities and concepts assessed during AEWE 2018 include improved lightweight lethal and non-lethal weapons, area denial using directed energy, individual soldier and combat vehicle detection, counter UAS capabilities, remote autonomous systems, enhanced tactical communications, networked targeting and electronic warfare, improved mounted, dismounted, and aerial sensors. Experimentation efforts are enhanced through a collaborative relationship with our closest allies. The U.S. Army's AEWE and the British Army's Army Warfighting Experiment, or AWE, are similar and complementary experiments conducted in support of modernization efforts focused on the soldier and small units. Exchanges of military personnel between these experiments began in 2016 and has subsequently expanded. A reciprocal exchange of forces between the U.S. Army and the British Army was formalized in 2017 in an effort to enhance the synergy of Allied collaboration and accelerate learning. During AEWE 2018, the U.S. Experimentation Force Infantry Company was joined by a British infantry platoon and Australian Army observers. We look to expand Australian participation in AEWE in the future and maintain substantial UK presence. In late 2018, a US infantry squad will travel to the UK to participate in the British Army's AWE.
So in closing, let me just thank you for your participation in this experimentation effort. Your ideas, your concepts, your evolving technologies, all will be fundamental for us to evolve and to learn. And then in the end, we have to apply what we learned and move the force forward. In this era, things are moving fast, the world is changing quickly, and we must be agile, and we need cooperation and collaboration from those across the culture, from corporations, from labs, from industry, and within the institution. And of course, we also welcome in our coalition counterparts. The United Kingdom and Australia both are participating with us. So we encourage you to get involved and be committed and let us know what you've got.
To learn more about AEWE, visit the AEWE website or follow AEWE on Facebook.